Guys, it's Taya. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, I have been MIA for a while, but I gotta tell you, it's just because I have had so much going on recently. I've been away for the last 2.5 months in Texas doing some military training, and there are just so many other awesome new things going on in my life that I feel like I really probably need to do like a life update video soon, because it's just some exciting things going on right now. But I am back from training. It didn't make sense where I was going for me to take my filming equipment, which is why I really haven't had an opportunity to film since then. But I'm back home in my new house. Yes, your girl bought a house. And I do have some filming space here, but I don't think I've actually filmed in the space yet. So here we are. Okay, so now that we got past that rant, whatever that was, the preamble, I don't know. Now that we've gotten past that, let's go ahead and jump into what this video is actually supposed to be about. I was just looking online and I came across this wig that was pretty much exactly what I was looking for, and it was on sale, so I ended up just getting it. I got the wig from Luvme Hair, which I'm sure that you have heard of Luvme Hair by now. There's always ads on Facebook and Instagram for Luvme Hair. I have ordered from this brand of wigs one time before. This is actually my other Luvme Hair wig that I purchased, and as you can see, I'm still wearing it. So I didn't have any reservations about grabbing another somewhat inexpensive wig in the style that I was looking for that was also human hair. So I ordered from them. The shipping was extremely quick for it to be coming from China. Like, it literally came right after the weekend when I ordered it on Friday, which I think is great. But it came super quick, and the packaging is very, very nice. They actually upgraded the packaging from the last time that I ordered from them. I actually think I still have the old packaging, so let me go grab it really quick. Okay, so don't ask me why I still have this. I am a legitimate hoarder, so I have it, okay? This is the last, the box from the last Luvme Hair wig that I got, which the box is still really cute, but this is definitely a sleeker, more sophisticated box for the wig. So it looks like they did do a little bit of an upgrade. Yeah, and I think that they're trying to like switch up their branding a little bit. When you open up the package, it does have this wrap paper with a cute little message on it. How adorable. It says, "Enjoy your hair journey from now on." Signed, Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. Inside, it does have the wig itself. So it's a 1B30 ombre wig. So it does have the darker roots and then the color number 30 down below. I am going to definitely need to flat iron this because these ends is going all kinds of crazy directions, and we don't have time for that. We don't. So yeah, I really liked the ombre coloring, and I also really like that it is dark rooted throughout the entire wig, which is nice. Okay, yeah, so this wig was called the Color 1B30 Ombre Bob Wig, 13x6 frontal bob wig. I did get her in the 12 inches, and her regular price would have been $129, but I caught a quick little sale, so I ended up spending $101 on her. You can see that it has a very good amount of parting space here, and the part itself actually looks pretty decent. I probably won't do too much to this part at all. It looks pretty good. She does already have the elastic band inside and the medium brown Swiss lace. And on the inside, there are some combs, just the standard combs that you find within a wig, which I don't really use besides the one that's here in the back. So yeah, we do still have the lace on, and this wig does already come with the pre-set middle part. I do not typically wear my hair in a middle part at all. I'm a side part kind of girl. Let's take a look at this part. What do you guys think about this part? I think the part looks really, really good actually. I'm not mad at the part at all. I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera to cut off the lace and put her back on and see what we're working with. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am not done with her at all. All I have done is cut off the lace, but I really wanted to show her to you guys before I continue to work on her. I moved her over a little bit. Before I continue to work on her, do you guys see how pretty this wig is? This color, oh my goodness. And all I did was cut off the lace, and I think that she honestly looks so good. Besides the fact that I need to flatten her out, and my braid right here is way too thick, and you can see it through there. This is what she looks like in the middle part that she comes as. I told you guys I don't typically wear a middle part, but I actually really think that this looks fine on me as a middle part. Okay, you guys, I am back and I have done a little bit of work on this wig. So I went ahead and flat ironed her a little bit and bumped her under a little bit because you saw before that she was kind of flipping in all kinds of different directions. I also went ahead and changed that middle part into a little bit of a side part and curved it a little bit. However, that is kind of getting on my nerves at this current moment because this hair keeps falling in my face. Not a huge fan of that, but I think that it just hasn't had enough time to be trained to go this way. So overnight I'm going to tie it down and hope that it just falls a little bit better for me. So yeah, I think that she looks really, really, really good. Like, I love this wig, you guys. I think the color is beautiful. The hair feels and looks absolutely beautiful. I love it. Okay, so I think she looks really, really pretty, and she is fitting on my head perfectly. I did not glue her down at all, but I love the fact that without any glue, she's laying extremely flat up here at the front of the lace. There's absolutely no lifting. She's fitting very, very snug, but not uncomfortable, just like a good snug. It did have an elastic band already sewn in, and I didn't like the fact that it was sewn onto the lace, but I am kind of really liking the placement of it because I feel like the placement of it is helping with securing the wig and making it lay flat. So I was going to take it out, but I think I may leave it positioned as it is because it's not where I normally position my elastic bands in my wigs, and I love how this is fitting on my head right now. I did go ahead and run a flat iron through her. She seemed to take the heat really, really well. After I flat ironed her, I took the smallest drop of this Fantasia IC Hair Polish Olive Moisturizing Shine Serum, like the smallest drop, and used that one drop for the whole head just to add some shine and a little bit of moisture to my hair as well. And that's about it, you guys. This wig was super duper easy. I feel like she looks really good with minimal work. I did add some powder to the part as well. This is the BH Cosmetics Matte Finish Pressed Powder in the shade 250, and I think that that really helped. Here it is, this shade. And I think that that really did help the part look even more natural as well. Even though the part looked pretty good before I put the powder in it, the powder just really took it up a notch. But all in all, I will say that this wig is bomb. I won't know until I wear it for a while how it's going to hold up. But as for right now, my initial impression of this wig is that it is absolutely beautiful. Like, I love it. And it's such a nice length. It's just perfect. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and do a 360 so you can get a look at the whole wig before I get out of here. Okay, you guys, that is my new Ombre Love Me wig. Please do let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Do you like the style? Do you like this color? What do you think about her? Would you pick up this wig? I personally love her so far. So I can't wait to see what you guys think down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button before you take off, and also hit that like button on your way out as well. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.